Hey everyone, AJ here with another episode of SwiftUI for Newbies. So today what we're going to do and what we're going to talk about is just adding symbols into our iOS project. Um, and whoops, what? Yeah, here we go. Let's resume. Whoops, get the right phone. It's definitely 11. All right. Um, so yeah, so again, you know, with other languages, you have to import a lot of libraries and whatnot, and to get these icons that you love. And I think Apple and Xcode and SwiftUI has done a great job of making integrating symbols and icons so easy. And all you need to do is download SF Symbols Beta as well, or SF Symbols. And what's cool about it is these are all Apple's icons. I mean, you get a massive library for free of Apple's icons, right? And these are only going to really work in Swift. So if you go to multicolor, this is really cool. You can add multicolor um, symbols, right? So I'm happy Apple's kind of getting into the color field here instead of just black and white and blue. But like, look, look how hot. I mean, that's beautiful. I mean, um, devices. I mean, you have all this stuff. I mean, all this stuff. Um, I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. So we're gonna use that. So yeah, let me show you. So these names are what you're gonna call in SwiftUI. So you have to make sure that these look exactly like this. You have to type this out. And what I mean by that is let's embed this into a VStack. Let's go back to image. And it's so every icon is an image, okay? And in order to call an image, you call this logo or icon. You get in between, you start typing system, okay? And now it's asking for a string. And all you need to do is put the name of it in SF symbols, leaf fill, okay? So we have leaf fill. Actually, I want to use flame, flame fill. And what you can do here is to change the size, right? You need to use this size, this font size. You can change it this way, 30. Um, you can do font headline instead, and if you do that, it's gonna change the size of it. You see, so you can do it either way. Um, let's go back to this and put this back and take this away. To add color, it's for dot foreground color. So all you need to do is just do dot foreground color and add what other color you want here. This is again super easy. Um, you gotta treat this symbol as a text. Yeah, text field. Like think of this icon as like a text. So you're gonna make changes like you're styling a text field or just text in general. And then also what's cool is with the image, you can actually add a frame. And what this does, let's do 40 height of 40, right? What this does, actually, let's do 80, 60. So what this does is it adds this frame around this, right? And what this allows you to do is cool things like this. You can do a background color, color literal. Let's open this guy up and let's do just like dark blue, right? And then do corner radius of 20. And now we have this really cool little circle with a cool blue thing with like 7 lines of code. You know what I mean? So this is really cool. And what you can also do is even add shadow to it, right? Color lit, and let's do radius of 20, x 0, y 10. And what I'm going to do is just copy this, put this here, that opacity of 0.5. Now we got a nice little button, you know? And that was just barely any lines of code. You know what I mean? And this is kind of how you continue to add, icons to your project. So, really hope you guys enjoyed this episode of SwiftUI for Newbies, and comment below any type of tutorial you want me to do to help you guys, you know, understand SwiftUI better. But these tutorials will be short, sweet, and teach you little things. So yeah, really hope you enjoyed this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.